Toko-san, a Japanese man, had a big dream. He wanted to become a dog. He spent a lot of money, over $15,000, to get a special costume that turned him into a collie. The costume was super realistic, and it took 40 days to make. Toko-san shared his remarkable appearance with the world through pictures and videos. His YouTube channel, named I Want to Be an Animal, features videos where he convincingly emulates dog behavior. Now, Toko-san walks around like a dog, wagging his tail and having fun. People think it's funny and interesting. Even though it's a bit silly, Toko-san loves being a dog. He says he's not ready to take off the costume yet,